One buy, one sell. That's the classic stock problem. But what if you're allowed 2 round trips? Watch what that unlocks. On these prices, the best single trade earns 4, but 2 well-placed trades earn 650% more profit, and the machine that finds it barely changes. Here's the rule. Given a list of daily prices, complete at most 2 transactions. A transaction is one buy followed by one later sell, no holding 2 positions at once. Maximize the total profit. Take prices 3, 3, 5, 0, 0, 3, 1, 4. Buy at 0 on day 4, sell at 3. Then buy at 1, sell at 4. 2 transactions, total profit of 6, better than any single trade could reach. So how do we describe every situation? We need 3 things. Which day we're on, whether we currently hold a share, and how many transactions we still have left. That last number is the new dimension, a counter, capping us at 2. We write it as f of I, hold, cap, the maximum profit from day I onward, given our holding status and the transactions remaining. The convention, a transaction completes on the sell, so we spend 1 cap when we sell. Our answer is f of 0, not holding, with 2 caps available. Now the choices. When we're not holding, we can pay today's price and switch to holding. Or we skip and stay flat. We take whichever gives more profit. When we are holding, we can sell, collect today's price, drop to not holding, and spend 1 cap. Or we keep holding and wait. Again, we take the maximum. And the base case is past the last day, there's no profit left. And if cap reaches 0, no transaction can complete, so profit from there is also 0. Turned into a bottom-up table, it's just 3 nested loops: day, holding status, and cap. Each cell reads 2 neighbors from the day ahead and takes the max. We fill from the last day backward and read our answer from f of 0, not holding, cap 2. Here's the picture that makes it click. Stack 2 copies of the buy-sell machine, 1 deck per remaining transaction. A sell edge doesn't just flip your state, it drops you down to the lower deck. When you run out of decks, you're done trading. One more refinement. Each day depends only on the day after it. So we don't need the whole table, just 2 small planes, ahead and current, that we roll forward. Memory shrinks from linear to constant. The cost? The number of states is n times 2 times cap plus 1, each with constant work. That's time proportional to n times k, and after optimizing, space just proportional to k. With k fixed at 2, it's effectively linear. 2 traps to avoid. First, decide once when to decrement cap. We chose on the sell, so stay consistent or you'll be off by 1. Second, return f of 0, not holding, cap 2, not cap 0. A tiny index slip that costs you the whole answer. So here's the big idea. A limit on how many times you may act becomes a counter dimension in your state. Decrement it on the action that uses up an allowance. Master that, and the next problem, any number k of transactions comes almost for free.